are going to be making a spider web with a spider. Which first, you cut this up, you get a paper plate and you cut this middle piece out. So I have two separate pieces. Part 2. Today, so you have to cut around, make sure you don't cut into the middle on the outside. About this much of a space. Now you should have your things ready. So get an adult anywhere around you and tie a knot right here. So right this part, you're gonna go around weaving it in the web, just getting it in the slots. So ask an adult to tie a knot on the web, and then we're gonna make the spider. So you cut the pipe cleaner into 4 little pipe cleaners. Then you cut out a little piece of construction paper that looks like the body. Then you take your glue and put glue on the construction paper. I'm gonna put you put 4 layers. Then you take your legs, bend the back ones backward like this, then bend 2 back ones this way, and then you put it down on the glue. Then you take your other back one and put it on the other bit of glue. Then you take the other ones, bend them forward. Then you bend them forward, and the other one forward. Put them on forward, and then you put them on forward. Now you have the bottom of the spider. So So now we're gonna work on your names because it's a name web. So you can do stickers, which I'm using, or you could use pieces of paper like this, or this, or this, or kind of this. Or you can use stickers like I'm using, or you can do this, just writing your name on a piece of paper and then sticking it like that with glue. I put my stickers on here. You can see I put one sticker on at least. You want to put them on and put them on hard if you're using stickers. And then you're gonna take the other ones. So I'm gonna take my eye now, because my name is William. So it's gonna be W-I. L. So you got your name on it. Now you can use googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes, you can use a marker. I'm using a marker. So you have to put on little eyes for the spider, of course. Everything living but trees has eyes. Then you're gonna put a little mouth. Then you're gonna put a little up thing. Then you're gonna color that. There we go. And just to make it look funny, I'm gonna add a little beard. So now we have our glue. Now we're gonna take our spider right here. Then we're gonna get the glue out and push some glue onto it. Then we put it on our spider. And we're done. Have a good day, and if you liked, make sure to subscribe. Have fun on all our YouTube channels. Bye.